Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, today we will do adding and subtracting decimal numbers. Okay. See, we add and subtract decimal fractions in the same way we add and subtract whole numbers. Okay. Now, to do addition or subtraction of decimal numbers, keep the following some steps in mind. Okay. Now, step 1 is write the decimal numbers according to their place value. Step 2, put zeros if necessary to complete the required number of decimal places. And step 3, add the decimal numbers just like the whole numbers. Okay. Now, how to do these? Okay. Now, this all will clear with the help of an example. Now, how to add? See how to add. Here you have given 26.8 plus 72.59. Now, firstly, we will write according to their place value. Okay. Here we have maximum number of decimal points are 2. Okay. So, we will put the decimals. Firstly, we will put the decimal and we will write the place value. Okay. Now here you have given up to tens place, ones, tens, and here you have given up to hundredth place because this is given only two after decimal there is a 2 points. Okay. Tenth, hundredth. I am writing small t for tenth and small h for hundredth. Okay. Now we will write the digits. Here we will write 26.8. So 2 is at the tens place, 6 is at the ones place, 0.8 is at the tenth place. So I will write here 8. Okay. Now the next number is 72.59. So we will write 7 is under the 2 because 7 is at the tens place and this 2 is at the ones place. Now put decimal. Now 5 is at the 10th place and 9 is at the 100th place. Okay. Now put 0 to make it like decimals. See, now this is in the 2 decimal place and this is also in the 2 decimal place. Okay. Now we will add. We will add like we do in case of whole numbers. Okay. Now add 0 plus 9. We will get 9. Now 8 plus 5. We will get 13. So put here 3 and carry over is 1. Now 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So I will write here 9. Now put decimal here. Okay. Now 2 plus 7 is 9. Okay. Now your answer will be after adding 26.8 and 72.59 we will get 99.39. Okay. Now see next question. Here you have given 0.9 plus 0.099 plus 0.001. Students, we can directly write as firstly we will convert this into the like decimal and then we will add. Also we can follow this. Firstly we will write these all in like decimal. Okay. Now convert it into the like decimals. Here you can see this is up to 3 decimal places. So 0.9 will become 0.900. Okay. Next, this is already in 3 decimal places. So 0.099. Okay. This is also in 3 decimal places. So 0.001. Okay. This we will write without write O, T and small h. Okay. We can directly add. Okay. Now put decimal. Now write 0.900. Okay. Now the next number is 0.099 and the next number is 0.001. Okay. Now we will add like we do in case of whole numbers. Okay. Now put the sign plus. Okay. Now add 9 plus 1 is 10. So I will write here 0 and carry over is 1. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. So I will write here 0. Carry over is 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 0. So I will write here 0. Now put here decimal point. Now this one is carry over here. Okay. Now this one will become carry over in the ones place. So this is 1. So on adding we will get 1.000. Okay. You can directly add with convert into the like decimal points. Okay. Now next is question number 3. 275.06 plus 62.5 plus 0.895. Now how to do this sum? Okay. Now students, remember, firstly we will convert it into the like decimals. So this will become 270. This is maximum number of decimal places are 3 here. So we will write here 275.060 plus 62.5. There is one after decimal, there is a 1 point. So to convert this into the like decimal, we will write here 2 zeros. Now plus 0.895. Okay. After converting it into the like decimals, this will become more easy to add. Okay. Now while adding decimals, all the decimal points should come one below the other. Okay. Now to write 275.060. Okay. Remember students, decimal will be put one below the other. Here you have given 62. So I will write here 62.500. Here you have given 0.895. Okay. Now you will add. You can put here 0. You can put here 0, 0. Okay. It's your wish. Okay. Now simply add. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 0 plus 9 is 15. So 5. 1 is carry over. 1 plus 0 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. So I will write here 4 and 1 is carry over. This one is carry over here. Okay. In the ones place. Okay. Now this will become 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 6 is 13. So put here 3 and carry over is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this will become 338.455. So your answer will be 338.455. Okay. Now next question is, you have given 80 plus 99.99 plus 173.492 plus 365.407. So students, firstly we will convert this into the like decimal places. Okay. Now here you can see this 80. There is no decimal point. So I can write 80 as, we can put here decimal. Okay. Now maximum number of decimal points are 3. So I can write here 000 plus 99.990 plus 173.492 plus 365.407. Students, after converting the decimal point, after converting the like decimal, this will become more easy to add. Okay, now we will add. Okay, this will become 80.000, 99.990. Students, write all the digits one below the other. Okay, now here you have given 173. So 1 is at the hundreds place and 3 is at the hundreds place. So I will write here 173.492. Okay, and the last digit is 365.407. 365.407. Now you will add. Okay, now 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. So I will write here 8. 1 is carry over. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 8 and 1 is carry over. So 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. So I will put here 8 and 1 is carry over. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 7. 26. 26 plus 6. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 7. 25. Okay, not 26. That is 25. 25 plus 6. 31. Okay. So 1 and 3 is carry over. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay. Now your answer will be 718.889. Students, see this 300, this. Okay. We will do subtraction in my next video. Thank you and have a great day.